Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Let's try to bow drill this horseweed spindle on a bark fireboard. Let's see what we have here now. This looks stable right here. We are ready to try it out. Just had someone go up the stairs, that's why we had a delay right there. Let's try it. All right, this time I want to try the divot and the notch at the same time and try to, while we have everything spinning, just keep it spinning and see if we can get the ember like that. Cut a more narrow notch so that it won't break apart on me as easily. Because I believe we can make it work. Need some more. Wasn't expecting it to be this much of a problem. Let's make a smaller diameter on the hot end and a pointier bearing block end. Let's go for some new dust. I was not expecting to have to work that hard, but we got it. Let's let it coalesce a couple minutes. I don't need all that wind blowing on it. That'll be better. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Three tries, but we got it. Well, 3 tries on this divot. A big old fail on that one. We'll catch you on the next one.